In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make half round mirror tracing table in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, you have to make the box right here to make a base of your work, and then you can set the guideline with this type measure tool, and then you can adjust the guideline. It's around 750 millimeter, and then you can adjust it again with 1500 millimeter. Okay, and then you can set the half round mirror in this area. You can draw this half round. Okay, something like this. Then you can complete the line and then push it to the front, maybe around 10 millimeter, right? And then you have to make it group. Then just move it to the front little bit, just a little bit. Anyway, it's about 50 millimeter. Then you have to set the material with a mirror. Okay, and then you can make a dressing table right here with any size as you want. Then you have to push and pull, maybe around 600 millimeter, right? Then you have to make it group, and after that you can push it to the front. Okay, so like this. You can push it to the front, and anyway you can adjust the line. You can adjust the line to something like this, and also you can adjust this, and also you can adjust this position to make a table holder to the wall. Anyway, okay, something like this. Then you can set the drawer. You can set the drawer area, drawer handle by this material. You can select a synthetic surface and just select the veneer, and you can draw the floor, and draw the floor with a wood. Anyway, you can set this wood, and then you can draw the stool right here. Okay, and it's just a simple stool, so you can adjust it, but you can adjust it by yourself. Sorry, I will change for this area. It's gonna be mistake from me, sorry. You can adjust this like this, and then you can position on it, and this position is wall. Anyway, this is just wall construction. Okay, something like this, so you can see about the wall in this area. Then you can adjust more material, or you can decorate the wall with the color as you want, maybe something like this, or you can adjust it again, or you can make some another material, right? So this is just dressing, just a little dressing table in SketchUp. Okay, thanks for watching. Wait for my next video. Thank you.